Hello, thank you for taking the time to watch this presentation. I'm just going to show you what we can do with the power wash, washing down patios and driveways and decking as well. So here we go. You see we've got the patio here, it's quite dirty, it hasn't been cleaned for some time. We're going to see how much difference the power wash makes. So we've done most of this patio, as you can see. We've just left the edges so you can see a contrast here, before and after. This is what we've done in the middle, and these bits around the edges are still to be done. It does give you a good idea of just how brightly they come up when they're washed. Just having another look at this step, we've got some moss built up here and down there, so we're going to see how we can remove that. Most of us have got white concrete paths, perhaps. It was a white concrete path when it first went down, but as you can see, time has made it very dirty. So we're just going to see how the power washer cleans up a white concrete path.